Today we are going to see what is an exothermic reaction and an endothermic reaction. So an exothermic reaction is a reaction in which when the reaction is taking place, what is happening is, suppose here some reaction is taking place over here, some reaction is taking place, and due to this reaction heat is being evolved. So heat is coming out from this reaction and passing on to the surroundings. This kind of reaction is called an exothermic reaction. So this one is an exothermic reaction. On the other hand, if we have a reaction in which just the opposite thing happens, that is, there is a reaction. Suppose here there is a reaction taking place, and due to that reaction we have energy being absorbed. So if we have energy being absorbed, instead of that energy being evolved, we call such kind of reactions as endothermic reactions. So this is an example of endothermic reaction. So in an exothermic reaction, what will happen is, in an exothermic reaction, energy, first thing will be, energy will be released. Okay, so the container of the reaction will be hotter than surroundings. On the other hand, in the case of an endothermic reaction, what is going to happen is, the first thing that is going to happen is, energy will be absorbed. Okay, so as a result of that, since energy is absorbed, the container that is having the reactants which are engaged in the reaction, that will be colder than the surroundings. Right? We shall just see a quick demo about these type of reactions. So here we have water, we have sodium hydroxide, we have ammonium nitrate, and we have sodium chloride. Now first we are going to see the temperature of water. The temperature of water is about 20 degrees Celsius over here. Okay, and next we are going to put this water in a beaker, and then we are going to add this sodium hydroxide into water. So you take up some sodium hydroxide, we're going to put it in water. I'm going to stir it, then mix it properly. Okay, so after mixing this thing, we get a solution, and then we again going to put this thermometer inside the solution and just note the temperature, and we shall see that the temperature is 48 degrees Celsius. Okay, so here heat is being evolved, and this is an exothermic reaction. Next we are going to put in the ammonium inside this water, and we are going to take a note of the temperature. It's 8 degrees Celsius, and so that is an endothermic reaction. Okay, and finally we are going to put some common salt, that is sodium chloride, into water, and after putting this thing into water, we shall see what is going to happen to the temperature, and we are going to put the thermometer inside and we are going to see the temperature very soon. So we'll stir it first, and so that it becomes a clear solution, right? And after that we are going to put the thermometer inside the solution and just take a look at the temperature. So the temperature here is 22 degrees Celsius. So actually what has happened is, inside this in these reactions, what we have seen, the first reaction was, since the temperature is rising, The first one, where the temperature is rising, it is exothermic, right? The second one, the temperature is decreasing, and that is endothermic, right? And the third one is also exothermic because the temperature is rising. So that was about exothermic and endothermic reaction. We'll take a short break and come back for our next video. Thank you.